हेलो व्यूवर्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 6 का हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर 3 इन द अर्लीस्ट सिटीज के केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। व्यूवर्स, इस वीडियो में हमने एक पैसेज लिया है और उसके ऊपर बेस्ड एमसीक्यूज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। ऐसी ही दूसरी वीडियोस देखने के लिए आपको प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक वीडियो के एंड में भी मिल जाएगा और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी मिल जाएगा, तो वहां से आप दूसरी वीडियोस देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारी आज की वीडियो। Very often, old buildings have a story to tell. Nearly 150 years ago, when railway lines were being laid down for the first time in Punjab, engineers stumbled upon the site of Harappa in present-day Pakistan. At that time, Harappa was now in Pakistan. Next is, to them it is same like a mount that was a rich source of ready-made high quality bricks. Engineers stumbled upon the site of Harappa because of getting high quality bricks, ready-made high quality bricks. Next is, so they carried off thousands of bricks from the walls of the old buildings of the city to build railway lines. Why did they need the bricks? To make railway lines. Many buildings were completely destroyed. That is why many of the buildings were destroyed. Next is, then about 80 years ago, archaeologists found the site. After that, 80 years ago, archaeologists found that site and realized that this was one of the oldest cities of the subcontinent, and they realized that Harappa was the oldest city of the subcontinent. As this was the first city to be discovered, all other sites from where buildings were found were described as Harappan. Other cities were described as Harappan cities. Next is, the cities developed about 4700 years ago. Harappan cities were developed approximately about 4700 years ago. Now let's discuss MCQs based on this passage. First question is, the oldest city in the subcontinent. Options are Mohenjo-daro, Lothal or Harappan. Answer is Harappan cities. Next question is, what four engineers stumbled upon Harappan site? Options are sand or bricks or soil. Answer is bricks. Next question is, how old were Harappan site? How old were Harappan sites? Options are 3700 years ago or 4700 years or 5700 years old. Answer is 4700 years old. Archaeologists said that Harappan sites were about 4700 years old. Next question is, railway lines laid down in Punjab nearly, options are 150 years ago or 120 years ago or 100 years ago. Answer is 150 years ago. Next question is, what kind of bricks were found in Harappan sites? Options are high quality bricks or medium quality bricks or low quality bricks. Of course, answer is high quality bricks. That is why people stumbled upon the buildings. Next question is, why did engineers need bricks? Options are for constructing buildings or for laying railway lines or for constructing forts. Answer is for laying railway lines. For building railway lines, they need the bricks, and that is why they stumbled upon the Harappan sites for getting high quality bricks from there. दैट इज ऑल फॉर टुडे। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताएगा। वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, फ्रेंड्स के साथ में, रिलेटिव्स के साथ में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कर लीजिए। चैनल पे पहली बार आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि आपको नए नए वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन टाइम टू टाइम मिलते रहे। फिर मिलेंगे एक नई वीडियो में नए चैप्टर के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, हैव अ ग्रेट डे।